tool for aluminum, 661 T6 aluminum. We're going to be running our half-inch Endmill, our AE, TLN, or A brand aluminum for non-ferrous metals, which Dan will pass around right now.
You running Nick or?
So we have two versions. Right now we're going to start running with the Nick version. So this Endmill has chip breakers on them for roughing operations to create very nice small chips, which we will showcase here in a moment. We'll be running a half-inch tool going 2 inches deep and with 8% step over going at 147 inches per minute. So that's about 12 inches cubed per minute. So really ripping through this aluminum right here. Yeah.
When you're going full depth, it could get you.
For some reason I was like, oh shit. Some days it's better than others.
What's the parameters? 147 inches a minute?
Yeah, that's what it said.
What's the spindle speed? What's the spindle speed? Doesn't focus past the plastic.
Here he always finished half the block and you can see the difference between roughing and finishing.
But we're doing a pocketing. So pocketing a 1-inch hole with a half-inch Endmill.
Pocketing a 1-inch hole with a half-inch Endmill.
Yeah, so it's a rocking class for a pocketing and it's still really
But we still have a show coming.
Very shiny. So now it's a finished pass?
Yeah, finishing the floor. So next up we're using our AEBTS 10.